can see I've got a section peeled back here. What I'm going to do is get my material lined up with the back edge of my pitched sill. I'm going to come in here and just kind of tack a corner. Okay? So once I've got that corner tacked, I try and make sure that this thing stays right up here into the opening, nice, lined up with the back side of my sill. I would take and work my way down with this spatula, nice and tight into that corner right there. So now I've formed a nice tight corner. There's no bridging or bulging right there that when we go to install the windows could catch and snag and tear that opening or thin that opening, flashing out. So once I've got that corner tacked, I'm going to just take and start pulling my backing off. And as I'm doing that, I'm just going to lay it down, lined up with the back side of my pitched sill here. You try not to stretch this material too much as you're pulling the backing off. You'll get some little bubbles and you can kind of work those out with your fingers or the roller when you get to the end. So like I said before, I'm just going to have this material, try not to put too much pressure on it and stretch it. Laying here into my opening. And as I start to come close to my corner here, I want to grab my squeegee and start to work that material tight into that corner, like so. So, got that side done. Now what we have to do is we have to pull this next release, right here. And be careful because this inner edge has a tendency to want to snag on your opening and start to tear. So try and pull yourself at an angle as you work your way along. So I'll get one corner in. I'll make sure that we're tight, like that, and right across the sill here. And here's the trick with this stuff. Thumb in the opening, take, pull out like that. Nice clean corner. So make sure everything's stuck where you want it. Work out any wrinkles if you have them. Right across like that. Now once your flashing is in place, just like any of the other tapes, you're going to want to activate the adhesive really well with your J-roller. Sure that everything's well stuck, bubbles are worked out, like so.